EdDoesTech, EdDoesTech, EdDoesTechEd.
Alright guys, this is going to be a very quick video. I'm here at AutoZone. My brake lights were not working, as well as the cruise control, and I was getting a couple of errors on the dashboard. I'm going to be switching out the brake switch. I guess you can say the stoplight switch is what it's called. But I'm going to be switching this thing out, and all you need is like a wrench. They said a 14mm wrench. I have a crescent wrench. I'm going to be switching it out. You can see here, there's a steering column, steering wheel, and it's literally just right here. It's right there, and then you're going to be unscrewing the nut that's right there, and then it'll loosen and everything will come out. So let me just do that real quick. So here's the brakes switch. You can see it right here. This is what you're going to want to loosen up. If you loosen this one up, this right here should slide right out. This crescent wrench may be too large, so I might have to use something else. I just wanted you guys to see that I loosened it up. Because I loosened it up, it was very easy to just do it by hand. And after that, of course, you don't want to lose this nut. I suppose you we have this right here. It's the nut. So now I'm gonna take the switch out. This needs to come out. I'm just gonna press this button and pray that it comes out. Look, cool. This is the older one. But this one right here. Just snaps in like that. The right and wrong way to put this nut on. And of course, I'm gonna find the wrong way. What you wanna do is make sure you put this on the right way. I'm gonna test it out first. See how easy that goes on? If you do it the other way, you're gonna have a little bit of resistance, but it goes on too. But what I'm saying is you need to figure out which way it turns. Because when you go on there, you go in the wrong way, it just spins and spins. So you're gonna put this thing on, and it's gonna be hanging like this, and then you're just gonna wanna push, and just do this. To start getting tighter, that's when you start using your wrench. And this one here also moves up to tighten both sides like this. Alright, so I managed to get both of these tight. You can see I'm moving my finger, nothing's happening. This is the new one. Got both of those tight, and I'm gonna actually test out the brakes as well and see if that error's still right. So let's try out the error first. This right here, the ABS and the ESC was on when I'm driving. And also, let me try out the brake lights. I'm getting in front of one of these windows and try out the brake lights. But first, let me give them back their tool. So I have to use these pliers here. These work well. As you can see, they seem to be thicker than the crescent. Well, thinner than a crescent wrench. You definitely want smaller than this. Just get a regular size, like a wrench. I think it's a 14mm. All right, guys. So I'm already excited about this because I think it's actually working, right? I'm pressing the brake down. Don't mind my Crocs. I'm pressing the brake down. As you can see, the brake lights are working. Of course, you didn't have any evidence that they weren't working before, but they're working now for sure. Error: the ESC was off. It said it was off, and also the ABS or something like that. And also, I could not do cruise control. This issue is happening for about I believe a couple of weeks. I'll try the cruise control and tell you guys whether or not it's actually working. All right, guys, I'm a professional stunt driver, so do not try this on the road. The cruise control turns on. That wasn't the issue. The issue was the set button. So I'm gonna click set. Uh-oh, still not working. So hopefully it's gonna do this. It's gonna be good after I turn it off and turn it back on a few times. But right now, the cruise control doesn't seem to be working. As you can see, also, I need gas. So turn it off, fill her up, and then try it again. All right, so I decided to bring out the big guns. And I got a few error codes here. I put it to the pending one, and it gave me this code back. The other one's something else, has nothing to do with what's going on. But it says brake switch A circuit. The cruise control isn't working. I tried it out on the way back from the filling up. The brake lights are still on. They're working, so that's great. And that was really the main thing. But the cruise control comes in handy. We really like that. So we'll be looking into this a little bit further, and I'll get back to you. All right, guys. So I decided to go back down here and film this because I actually understand a lot more now. This is actually the brake right here. So if you want to put that other, but you want to push this brake pad down, so you can move that so you can do what you need to do. I.e. when the the brakes pedals are engaged, as in the brakes all the way back, this pin will be out, and that's when the brake light come on. When it's pushed all the way in, that's when the brake light come off. So that's when the circuits open and close. Now, I'm still getting in that error here, so it's really strange. But I did find the 14 millimeter, and it's the perfect size for it. I was just making sure that these were on properly as well, because I'm still getting that P0571 error. So I'm really not sure what to do right now. Hi guys, I just wanted to update you a bit on what's going on. It is now October 24th. Sorry for the late update. I wanted you to know that the cruise control is working. It just started working out of nowhere a few weeks ago. I'm not sure what went wrong with it, but I checked the check engine light, and that indicator is not on anymore about the brake switch circuit. I think the computer just needed some time to reboot or to recache, I guess, in a way. So we're not having any issues with their brake lights or the cruise control anymore. We're not getting that error about ABS. So thank you guys for watching at EdDoesTechEd. Take care.
EdDoesTechEd.